called Ghana, sorry to say, a country called Ghana with the feature of Nigerians. Charlie, we are telling the Ghanaian story. What is a Nigerian man doing in the Ghanaian? I'm sorry. And now he has granted an interview saying that I use wheat toffee, but that one I'm taking it very personal. That's very insulting, and I'm not taking it lightly. I'm saying this on Hit FM this morning. I'm telling Lilwin that in the next few days, his suit will be ready.
Ahwevo yamama tenase nyamama kwaba OhenebaMedia TV on YouTube trending stories ana yedema ewo ye channel so subscribe ya bomoden so ye new member obe subscribe no turn on notification bell so ye the video fufuro bia to ha won sabetimi aka na odofo ene social media no so de eso ye hye pa ageta na Mr. Logic entertainment pundit ene wono na waba bontin se obesio Ghanaian actor Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. Edi na mane kasa ansem we nyina. Quick one. Yeah.
Now he has granted an interview saying that I use wheat toffee, but that one I'm taking it very personal. That's very insulting, and I'm not taking it lightly. I'm saying this on Hit FM this morning. I'm telling Lilwin that in the next few days, his suit will be ready. And it will surprise Ghanaians. You cannot come in public, Lilwin, and say that I take wheat toffee and the wheat toffee is not good for me. Were you there? Have you seen me taking wheat toffee? All jokes aside, this particular statement, I won't take it lightly with Lilwin. I go show him, say me, I'll be serious guy. Because that day, I didn't say anything against him. I didn't insult him. I didn't attack him. You can play back the video and even my words. I didn't say anything. I was only defending the name of Ghana. I said, why didn't you bring or have Ghanaians to play some of this part that you are bringing Nigerians to play? That's all I said. Now this guy is calling me a wheat toffee.
What is wheat toffee?
It's my own coinage.
But wheat toffee,
what the wheat toffee is?
It's my own coinage.
What forbidden?
Andy,
it's a question.
Let's go to the laboratory right now.
So if the court says let's go and have it,
I'm ready to do a test.
Yes, say na Mr. Logic can you abi okopie mu e wo Hit FM. Jumedi so also be see Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. But before that, mami fa nko wa chikakra. Ni ehwe de makofa asem we nyina baye. Abra Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin e de Nigerian architects e de ba krom ha se oba betwe sini a yato ni di se country called Ghana. Eno ana Mr. Logic eba bonten e be kire se ade Kwadwo Nkansah eye no. Enya ade a e fa ne kwan we san se utwe sini a wato ni di se a country called Ghana. Na eden ana akofa Nigeria actors e de ba betwe sini a country called Ghana.
A country called Ghana, sorry to say, a country called Ghana with the feature of Nigerians. Charlie, we are telling the Ghanaian story. What is a Nigerian man doing in Ghana? I'm sorry to say, but from my point of view, it is a country called Ghana. Hey, what is it? Ghana.
Guyana.
A country called Ghana. Why do you have Nigerians? The next thing you see, they'll be mocking us in the movie. See, you should be careful when you are scripting your stories. No matter what he has in the script, this Nigeria, these are major players. They want to have some level of control. Yes. So how do you name a movie a country called Ghana and then have Nigerians in it? That's my little misunderstanding.
Well, just as he said, no,
it still doesn't make sense. Can't you have some Ghanaians who are
looking like him?
Don't we have Banvika? Look, Banvika movie from Masa. No. Let's be real. This is a movie he's targeting going to Netflix
yes.
to write a Ghanaian story. This is the problem we have. You want to write a Ghanaian story. You think if you are doing a movie entitled A Country Called Nigeria, they will bring a Ghanaian? You think they will involve a Ghanaian?
Good point. Let's hope the story comes out.
The hope is
some of the projects.
Say when we are, I understand you, please. When we are talking about patriotism and the Ghanaian agenda, you the same people have been complaining about the Ghanaian agenda. The title of the movie is A Country Called Ghana.
But that does not mean that's the story.
But you know the storyline.
No, you don't know the storyline.
Once there's when you name like Ghana songs.
And Nigeria is not in Ghana. Don't you know Nigeria is in Ghana?
Yeah.
But doesn't matter whether Nigerians are in Ghana or not.
Technically, do you know what is called a Ghanaian story?
You're asking a Ghanaian what a Ghanaian story is. A person born in Ghana.
There's a movie person here. Let him educate you.
Come on. I know you're in education. I was born in Ghana. I know everywhere in Ghana. I know east, west, north, and south. I've been there. I know our problems. What I'm saying is, I'm not saying it's a bad concept. Yeah, I'm saying that for the purposes of the movie, they are going to Netflix, which is supposed to be like a major feature for Ghana. So why didn't you import other Ghanaians, like major Ghanaian actors, and tell the Ghanaian story in total?
Some way na kojo Nkansah Lilwin and so a grant interview about Bonten about Betchum saying some Mr. Lodge Kafa no ho say what the Nigerian actors about betcha a country called Ghana no a yerudurara sem na Mr. Logic no afa we Toffist. Logic tis asem way or say kojo gu ni ho fi san say asema kojo akan ay asema ebe ha ne brand ye papa enti kojo momwa no ho na we hia na e wo court no ma mbekere kwan a ofa so efa ne we Toffist na say wo fa we Toffist no na we gina ho bia Hit FM ana okaka sanse bu nyina e wo ho
omo kan sa nyoma no sabo omo nyina le so ma no prokeke ana ma no mai adom kwa na ma no lokalezo he bai ma omo bura sa o ana mo di we Toffist do dia mo kan kwa se mo dawe American movie coming from America America for try
No Ghana artist because me say na iko
coming from America China for nyina wo India for nyina wo
yes
Bishop of the nation aba for Africa for Ghana for ngam e bia matanka
yes
Ghana for ko na je ko temu we
tell na kwa we ye ho ba se obi ye yin ko bia wo ko ya
adom ni soro tun takachi wo ba Ghana ha no ma na ho ahene ontino bi nya so Ghana moving industry per se bo se Yakopon mo nam so Ghpage no quite Ghpage ne mu Yakopon hebia nko te ho wo so e da page industry ni na Ghpage the bomb modern because me acting and go present with TV show me anya acting and go blogger say na mo ye bi debi ni medjuma no medjuma ka san acting say jimi no nyomo to no talent na juma ko from stand ye so entina ebi how to protect your name, how to make your name be substance say make it me just focus through so the cash one answer until me no na bedru so wi yes I protect my some awesome me guide so say na be ya mention of course just be am bo me di ho ka and person be come nim ana e twesi ni Ghana ba hanu ma I wish all the stars in Ghana here be a good musicians
of course
you see that
yes
now asem come nim Ghana for e was say ai mo de say ya dada na afi yet say so container shakakra so abui artist be Ghana be say musician movie actor the producer okay sini sana so wa so ko nima also fat na artist be kan
say na komodi nyina ese call ye social media so trend ana yedema e wona na bema TV but more than turn it on notification bell na face na subscribe me di Ohene ye the new video e be sa de ama